Welcome back, Shot Trap. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back, y'all. Today is Monday. A very busy day. A very busy Monday, y'all. So right now it is, what time? It is, oh, they had a chicken wing. Okay, big. I got 10. Okay, so it is 11:09, right? Supposed to get off at work after a while. So I really want to be done cooking by then because we got to go to the gym. I got to go to my grandma's house. And I got to go to the studio later. That's a lot. Okay? It's a lot going on. But you know what? We're going to get it done. Okay? We're going to get it done today. So I'm already up, dressed, and ready to go. I ain't putting nothing on too major. But I put a nice little one too on. See? It's a little. Y'all, when I get this weight off me. Listen here. Y'all not gonna be able to see anything, okay? Okay. Oh, and I haven't did that. So today I might post a little bit of gym footage, depending on how the crowd is in there. So y'all might post some footage, cause I said this in a previous video, but we have been going to the gym consistently for a week now. Went Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, Monday to Sunday. I can't even talk. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We skipped Wednesday because it was raining. Went Thursday, Friday. Skipped Saturday. Went Sunday. We're back at Sunday right now. So we went Sunday. We're back at Monday. So yes, y'all. I'm so happy for us on this healthy journey. And I'm really praying that we stick to it. Well, I know we're going to stick to it. And if y'all want to, y'all can join us too, you know. Even if you are in shape, if you are healthy, if you're not healthy, you can always start right now. And just stick to it, y'all. That's the word for today. Well, not the word. That's going to be our phrase for today. Stick to it, okay? Stick to it, y'all. And then I got to wash my hair too. But I'll probably do that. Hold on, because do y'all see the color? Y'all see the color, though. Y'all see the color on the hair. Okay. Let me go. So let me tell y'all what I'm going to cook today, though. I am making salmon and shrimp. Yes. I don't like this light in the kitchen. I'll go this way. So I'm cooking salmon and shrimp later with what we got in here. I low-key want to do black beans. Y'all. I really do. We'll have to see, though. I know I need some eggs, too, because we be running through eggs like crazy. I don't know, I'll be back with y'all. Gonna tune back in. Okay, y'all, I'm back. If y'all hear the birds going, I don't know what. I guess somebody dropped some food or something, baby. They going wild out here at Walmart. But, anyway, I just made a list of everything I'm going to get. Y'all see the list? Y'all see the list? Let's read the list, okay? We have tuna, okay? I'm going to make some tuna probably I need to hurry up and get back home because I'm gonna probably make it today, but I'm really pressing for time because I gotta get the eggs and boil the eggs and da-da-da. It's okay. I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna eat that today. We'll do the chicken salad. Okay. I'm just over here thinking about other stuff I'm gonna do too, y'all. But anywho, so I'm gonna do tuna today, and then we'll eat that for lunch for probably the week, y'all, because I'm gonna make a lot of it. So, and y'all, me and baby, we were just talking about this. Me and my little boo. She feel like I need to make tuna every week. Baby, we ain't finna be no tuna pad. We not finna eat tuna every week. Like, That girl said, but that's what I want. We ain't finna smell like no tuna pies. But anyways, y'all, the tuna do be good though, I ain't gonna lie. So I got to get some tuna, eggs, get some lettuce, because we're gonna eat salads this week. Hamburger buns, because I've been craving a burger. And I ended up getting one last weekend. I wanted to cook them at home, but we ain't gonna talk about it. So I got to get that. Got to get some sliced cheese, some barbecue sauce, because we still got some meatballs. So I'm gonna cook them sometime this week too. Probably do the sub wraps, the meatball sub. I'm talking about sub wraps. The meatball subs. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably do that Friday. Just something quick to eat. Oh shoot! So I gotta get that. So I need mozzarella cheese too. No, we already got mozzarella cheese. And some chips. That major, y'all. So I see y'all. I'm getting the store. We're back. I'll show y'all what I got. Let's see. All right, y'all. So we are back at the house. We back at the house. Okay, I'm playing. All right now. Excuse that rooster in the back of y'all here. Here go the chicken. Y'all know what that Walmart chicken look like. Yep. Needs a wrench. Okay. So y'all saw what I got at Walmart. Everything was like $24. I think that's right. So then I went to Lil Wayne's store. Wayne Lee's. These good. But if you're from the Couples Channel, you already know about these. Real good. Gotta give a little shake up, then you drink them. Y'all wanna hear? Whew. And it's cold, y'all. Okay, so I didn't finish telling y'all earlier what I was cooking. So I'm cooking the salmon, shrimp. I'm gonna do twice baked potatoes. They said I haven't did them in a while, so my little one, I'm gonna give my little one what she want now. Shoot. And then I got this seasoning. I'm gonna try. And I saw a recipe on Facebook, and it was the what my phone it? It was some kind of orange flavor. Because that's what I was originally looking for, but I mean that's close to it, so I was like, okay, there you go. I might as well just get this one. But the one I was looking for was this. It say orange pepper. But I looked in Walmart and I looked in the wine store and I didn't see it. So I was like, I feel like this close enough. So we're gonna try that and see what it tastes like. And yeah, that is dinner for tonight. That's right. Yeah. The salmon and I'm about to say salmon and chicken, salmon and shrimp, twice baked potatoes, and then I'm gonna do some broccoli. And I saw somebody grabbing them the last time I was in Walmart, but we didn't get them. So I was like, I'm gonna pick these up. But baby was like, I sent her a picture. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. It's like they're not nasty, but I got mixed feelings, y'all. I had to make sure y'all still going. I don't know, y'all. But
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
y'all, dang. So I didn't get a chance to add any clips of the hip hop step class, but maybe I can get some clips from my sister. I don't know, but either way, y'all. So I did go there. When I tell you I'm tired, I had to come home and cook, make somebody some ungrateful lunch.
Girl,
And
you and your people can sit.
had to eat all that boo. Baby, don't get mad now because she ain't part of the shot trade. That's what it is, y'all. She hating. But it's no point in hating when you could just join. Like, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, give it up. It's me. I win. You lose.
Yeah, nobody say you a little stinking trade.
But anyway, y'all, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. And we will see you all. I will see you all in the next one. in the next one, and the one after that, and the video after that.